Did you know that the entry-level salary for a machine learning engineer ranges from $100,000 to $180,000? That's the starting range. Some experienced professionals earn even more. But here's the thing, mastering machine learning isn't easy unless you have a plan. I've created a complete machine learning roadmap and broken everything down into 9 essential sections. Let's start with first one, Python. Python is the most common and beginner-friendly programming language for machine learning. If you master the key concepts like variables, loops, functions, you can even land a job as a software engineer. But for machine learning, these are the topics to learn. Don't worry, I will be explaining each and every topic in this channel. All you have to do is subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated in the journey. Next up, we have Git. It's mostly used to track progress and collaborate with others. It helps you save progress and manage projects like a pro. Think of Git as a time machine for code. Next, data structures and algorithms. Companies like Google, Meta, Apple, and Amazon will surely ask questions on algorithms when hiring. And for machine learning, concepts like lists, trees, graphs, sorting, and searching make your machine learning models faster and more efficient. Next, we have SQL. SQL is the tool that helps to access the data. This data helps in training the machine learning models. With a SQL, you can query databases, filter massive datasets, and structure the data before feeding this data to machine learning models. You don't need to be a math genius to be an engineer. You need a solid understanding of linear algebra, probability, and calculus. If you can understand these topics, you can understand how machine learning models make decisions. Next up is data handling and processing. Cleaning and processing data is a crucial step in training an ML model. Raw data is often messy, with missing values, duplicates, or inconsistencies. Pandas and NumPy are 2 essential libraries that help with data manipulation, while Matplotlib and Seaborn allow for data visualization. And here are the remaining 3 topics in our machine learning roadmap. In machine learning fundamentals, we'll cover core topics like supervised versus unsupervised learning, regression, classification, and clustering. Then, in advanced machine learning concepts, we'll dive into deep learning, NLP, and reinforcement learning, techniques that power everything from AI chatbots to self-driving cars. And finally, in deployment, we'll explore essential tools like Flask, Fast API, and cloud platforms like AWS and Google Cloud, so you can turn your models into real-world solutions. With this, we have the complete roadmap for machine learning.